How to fix iPhone screen flickering. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you fix the problem or issue like your iPhone screen is flickering or flashing weirdly. So let's get started. First, you'll have to just restart your iPhone. Sometimes a quick restart clears the temporary glitches. For that, open up settings. From settings, you'll have to scroll down and tap on general. From general, you'll have to again scroll down at the bottom and tap on shutdown. After you shut down your iPhone and turn it on again, your problem should be fixed. If you are still facing that problem, you'll have to open the settings again. From the settings section, you'll have to tap on display and brightness. From here, as you have to turn off the automatic from here. As usual, you'll have to just turn off the true tone from here. The settings can sometimes cause flicker in your certain light. If you are still facing that problem, remove the case or screen protector. Sometimes low quality protector can affect your touch and visuals. Try using your phone without them for a bit. After doing all of the measures or process from here and you are still facing that problem, at last you'll have to check for your iOS update. For that, from the settings section, tap on general. From general, tap on software update. From software update section, if you find any iOS update, tap on the option install and update the latest version of iOS for your iPhone. If the problem is still up here, it could be a hardware issue like a loose display cable or battery problem. For that, visit your nearest Apple store or any authorized service center. And that's it. By following that procedure, your screen flickering problem should be gone. If you found this video, follow for more iPhone fixes like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.